Our gut microbiome is influenced from everything from stress to medications we may be taking, to a poor diet like eating lots of highly processed packaged food. Lots of things can influence our gut microbiome, which is why it's so important to fuel our gut microbiome with the right things so we build a good, healthy gut loaded with those good bacteria. Now, you may have seen me talk about this on here before, but I am a huge fan of the Omni-Biotic Stress Release Psychobiotic. It was specifically developed to support the gut-brain axis, but also it's been shown to improve mood, focus, concentration, and it works. A little bit of a side note here, but if you are of a similar age to me, thinking about perimenopause and menopause, going into menopause with a diverse, healthy gut microbiome is critical. Greater symptoms of menopause, I should say, are associated with lower gut microbiome diversity. So really important to get your gut health in order before you hit that stage of life. Please make sure to check out the caption because I'm going to include in there some information about some specific research that has shown how psychobiotics can play an important therapeutic role in the treatment of depression.